Hello everybody, my name is Timothy and I want to welcome you to Discover with Timothy. In this video, I want to describe to you a heritage building in Georgetown, Penang called the Sun Wui Wui Koon. Also spelled Sun Wui Wui Koon, this is a historic Cantonese district association located along Bishop Street in the UNESCO World Heritage Core of Georgetown in Penang, Malaysia. Unlike a religious temple, this building historically functioned as a clan association hall, a community hub for immigrants who came from the same region in Guangdong Province, China. The Sun Wui Wui Koon was established by immigrants from the Sun Wui district in Guangdong, China in the 19th century, although the exact founding organization may have roots even earlier. The actual Guildhall building was constructed in the 1870s with later refurbishments in subsequent decades. The association served as a communal hub for fellow district migrants who shared common origins, that is, from the Sun Wui area, the Cantonese dialect, and the same cultural heritage. It offers mutual support networks for employment, lodging, and social integration in colonial Penang society. The architecture of Sun Wui Wui Koon reflects Cantonese clan hall design, notable for its stone fence and granite gate posts, features that convey both symbolism and structural function. Original terracotta floor tiles remained, adding to the historic fabric of the building. Instead of the more typical dragon motifs seen elsewhere, the roof is adorned with pairs of huìguǎn, mythical dragonfish creatures believed in Chinese tradition to ward off evil and protect the building from fire. Sun Wui Wui Koon remains a place of folk cultural activities such as palm leaf fan painting competitions, a traditional craft linked to the Sun Wui region's association with palm trees. Recognition ceremonies are held here to celebrate academic and professional achievements of its members, reinforcing values of success and family pride. While primarily an association hall rather than a temple, the Sun Wui Wui Koon also houses religious elements. Its main altar is dedicated to Guan Gong, also known as Guan Yu, a river deity widely worshipped in Chinese folk religion for protection, loyalty, academic success, and prosperity. Guan Gong's presence reflects how community guild halls often blend social functions with religious and spiritual life, especially in traditional Chinese diaspora contexts. Behind the main altar lies an ancestral hall, where memorial tablets of deceased members are placed for veneration by descendants, a practice central to Chinese familial and clan identity. A notable ancestral tablet found here is that of Lim To Kai, grandfather of the renowned Malayan physician Dr. Wu Lian Teng, highlighting the association's deep historical roots and societal connections. The Sun Wui Wui Koon Association building is normally open daily from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., allowing visitors to appreciate its history and architecture. It participates in heritage programs such as the annual Penang Miao Hui, where volunteers help explain its significance to visitors. And that concludes my explanation of the Sun Wui Wui Koon in Georgetown, Penang. I hope that through this video, you will be better informed should you ever visit this heritage building in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Discover with Timothy for more videos like this. And you can also support me by dropping $1 or $2 at Buy Me a Coffee. Use the QR code or the link in the description. I would so appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to have you joining me once again in the next video.
With the waves that play and the nights that sway, Penang, you take my breath away.